Out of ice packs? Here's a genius trick you've never tried. Whether it's for a lunchbox or a quick injury fix, sometimes you need an ice pack but don't have one ready. All you need is a sponge, some water, and a Ziploc bag. Soak the sponge, seal it in the bag, and freeze it. Once frozen, it's the perfect ice pack. It stays cold for a long time, and when it melts, the sponge absorbs all the water, no mess. Use it for bumps and bruises, or throw it in your lunchbox to keep your food cool all day. Super simple and reusable. You can make a few and always have them on hand. Give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome hacks.